Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see how to convert old iPhone eSIM to new iPhone eSIM. It's very simple tips and tricks. I'm using Airtel network located on India, but right now I'm living in Europe. So how to convert E to E? It's very simple process to convert. No need to convert as a physical and then convert as eSIM. So you need to require 200 INR at least in your Indian number. So that point of view, I'm sending one SMS, then I receive and then I reply one, and then Airtel are calling me, and the calling length around 70 to 80 seconds. It means 1 minute call charges as a Airtel charges for me as a 90 INR. So at least I put it here 200 INR. So if the call is going on 2 minutes, so I can very easily receive all the information. So we will see remaining information on the practical on the eSIM to eSIM Airtel network. Remaining information we can see as a mobile screen. So now look at this here. In this my old iPhone 13 Pro Max, I just simply scroll down here. Two networks are available here, and here nothing, no network is available, just only Wi-Fi connected. But now I want transfer one eSIM to this new phone eSIM to eSIM. So we'll see detailed demonstration how I do exactly. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here iMessenger application. Airtel customer care number is 121, and I just type here one of the message, small e, capital SIM, and then space and my email address. Look at this here, eSIM space my email address, and I just simply send it to this message on 121, and within a second I am receiving one of the message, and the message are showing me a reply one within a 16 second, means 1 minute. Dear customer, we are receiving the eSIM related process. After sending one, I am receiving this message. Thank you. We will call you shortly. Reconfirmation. So reconfirmation point of view, they are calling me very shortly. Now is 11:40 is going on. So around 5 to 10 minutes in between, I am receiving the call. So look at this here. After exactly 8 minutes later, I am receiving the call and see the all process here.
English, press 2. For Hindi, press 3. Dear customer, we have received the eSIM change request for your mobile. Please note, Airtel does not call or SMS you to proactively to upgrade to an eSIM. Proceed only if you have an eSIM enabled handset with you, as fraudulent SIM change can lead to financial loss. After this call, you will receive an email with a QR code that needs to be scanned. If you do not receive the email within next 1 hour, call 121. Refer the SMS sent to you for more details. To continue your eSIM change request, press 1, else press 2 to cancel the request immediately. Thank you. Your SIM change request will be processed within 2 hours. Please note, incoming and outgoing SMS services
So look at
will
this
be
here. You
resumed
need
after
to
24
at
hours
least
of
balance
the new SIM
your call
activation.
continue in 2 minutes, greater than 1 minute. And after disconnect my call, my balance, like look at this charges of this call, 180 INR. So look at this. After confirmation of the call, I am receiving the QR code on my email address. It's very simple. Now I just new iPhone and scan this QR code. So here is my new iPhone. Look at this here. No SIM card is this. I just simply open the setting application, mobile data, set up mobile services. Now transfer other option, but currently I am using Airtel, so I just simply open here and I need to scan QR code. I already show it to you. I am receiving this QR code on my email address. So look at this here. It's very simple. I just scan this QR code and boom, active eSIM. eSIM from Airtel is ready to activate on this iPhone. Continue. Activation process is going on. Wait couple of seconds. Connecting to the network. mobile plan setup completed. Done. And look at this, within a couple of seconds, just only here network is available in Telenor, so we can see here the mobile network and some other information. Network section is automatically, and my eSIM is activate on my new iPhone. eSIM to eSIM, no need to convert as a physical and then add it. So if you really like this tips and tricks, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.